What's up, friends and family? We are at the Austin Nature and Science Center. It's the day after Christmas. We had to get out of the house. The girls went shopping and the boys are going for a hike. Let's go.
Let's go. Water fountain, I told you. Water fountain, restroom. Snakes!
In case you're wondering, yes, I'm wearing a cowboy ensemble. I got this sweet hat and shirt for Christmas yesterday. I'm rocking it today. Okay, what do we have here? Austin Nature and Science Center Forest Trail.
Look at all the trees. Look at the big trees.
Okay, we found our first trail. Chet's gonna make it. Oh, he's gonna make it. And he did it. Whoa, bud, look at this tree. You did it. What? Let me see. Whoa, don't fall in that hole. Nice. Look at the water. Whoa, look. Look. Wow. Beautiful. Look up, Bubba, look. Dragonflies. Oh. They're open today. Oh, look at that bear. Whoa, look at these bees, bud. Look at the bees.
Look, that's where all the bees are coming from. They go in through this too, and then they come. Look at all that honeycomb. That looks tasty.
They come through here. Look at them walking, bud. They fly, they go through the hole. They walk. They bring the pollen up here.
And they make honeycomb.
This is so cool. Look at these.
Wow.
Hundreds and hundreds, thousands of bees.
The honeycomb looks yummy.
European honeybees, these are. From Oakwood Cemetery with bees. Wow, look at that. Big old mound of them. Which one is which? Okay, you got drones, workers, queen, los zanganos, las abejas, la abeja reina. A bear. Wow. What is that? Snakes? Snake sheds? What is this called? Desert rose?
I have this rock, I have that rock.
Oh, look at this little toad. Toad skeleton. Look at the armadillo, bud. Copperhead, what do you think?
Probably a copperhead.
Bubba, look, a snake. Bad. No. No.
Well, it's not a killer.
Okay. We don't touch snakes. Is this a bat skeleton? A lemur? Oh, look, a baby triceratops. Here we go. Wrong one. All right, so now we're taking a trip outside. We've got Dino Pit. We've got wildlife exhibits, birds of prey,
So
small wonders. Wherever Jet takes us. Whoa, look at this.
I remember in first grade I couldn't touch this when I was young.
Welcome to the Dino Pit. I love dinosaurs, don't you? Yeah? Look, which one's your favorite? This one, the neck? Oh, cute.
So this is the inside view. Up, all around. Up again. Amazing! Now let's go around the lake.
We're gonna take the trail around the lake. Little Jet didn't want to play with dino sand and the Dino Pit. He usually likes to dig and get dirty, but there's just too much to see. He wants to go.
It could be an amazing rock slide right here.
We've now made our way to the outside pets. What happened? Something stinks. She must be spraying or something. That bobcat, bud. See the kitty cat? Look at the bobcat. See the big kitty right there? Whoa. Looking at you. There's the duck, Bubba. Look at him.
Arnold the duck.
Harold the duck.
Oh.
Harold the mallard duck. Hey, Harold. Thank you.
Oh my gosh, there's a hand in
Are
there.
they feeding? Beautiful blue jay. Look at it. Never seen one up close. Hi. Oh, he's pretty. You have to follow the camera.
Corn snake and corn snake.
There's this one. Corn snake. Corn snake. Another snake. What is there? Turtles. Look at the little baby turtles. See the turtles? This is the small wonders. It's got the reptiles and little amphibians and fish. So this is a pretty, like a little small aquarium. Birds of prey. So next on the list is the birds of prey exhibit. Black vulture.
There's the red-tailed hawk.
Do you see it? We have those by our house. Oh, he's only got one wing, poor thing. Red-tailed hawk jester arrived in 2011 as an adult with a partially amputated wing. What does amputated mean?
Cut off.
Noble and spice. I see two. Oh, there's two of them. Two horned owls.
Oh, he just turned his head 360.
Oh, I thought he was coming after me. Oh. Zilker Nature Preserve and Trails. All right, we're gonna go for it. It's already leading the way. It locks at 4:30, so we have to make sure that we're back. So we've seen the birds of prey, we've seen a bobcat, we've seen the nano center. Now we're on the trails. We're gonna trail it up.
Let's just keep on going.
Okay, we're here. Okay, we go to the left is the cliff. Okay, we're trying to find the overlook, but this dude's running around. We've got a steep decline here. Yeah, we're not gonna be able to make it down there with this guy. We've got to find a different route, so we'll see if we can find it another way. Okay, it looks like we found another route that Jet can do. You want to get down and walk down? Come on. You find the bottom? All right, Bronson's at the bottom. We'll be down there in a second. Wow, you made it! You made it! Wow! Look at the creek. Whoa. He's hiking. He's rock climbing. Look at him go. Look at him go. Be careful. What is it? What? What is it? Okay, so we found this nice rock quarry. We're gonna try to make it up there. Hang out. Can we do it? You wanna do it? Yeah, let's go. Yeah. Don't try this at home. I made it up there. Yeah. Look, stand up. Show me your muscles. Let's see your muscles. Yeah. Be careful. Don't tell mom we did this. Good job. Good job, guys. We're trying to find the overlook. This little guy wants to walk on his own.
Hey, guys.
Wants to walk so bad. He wants to walk, but he's taking forever. He keeps falling. We're taking the daddy route, the Daddy Express. Going all the way up. Did you make it up to the top? Look, Bubba made it. Bubba made it. Okay. I think we're almost to the top. Whew. We made it. Is there another way down? We did it, Bubba. Let me see your muscles. We walked all the way from over there. Look, it's the city. The beautiful view. We made it. Woo!
We made it. This guy is hungry and he's tired.
We're stuck at the top of this mountain. We don't know how to get down. We've got to find our way, traverse the terrain here, and get this crying baby to some food and water.
Let's go.
Oop.
I'm doing it.
You ready? Let's go. All right. Now the fun begins. We're now going to start the descent down this mountain.
So, you're gonna get my side of going down. Now we're gonna have to go all the way down. This is very tough terrain. Do not tell mom. We should not. Okay, see y'all when we get down there.
Somebody fell asleep on the way down. Look at this little baby. He didn't want to walk anymore. He was tired. Look at him. He's too little to walk anymore.
So we finally got down the hill. Finally got down the hill. Whew.
I don't know, that was like a 5, 10-minute hike up.
Yeah.
Like a 2 to 3 minute hike down.
Yeah.
We made it down. I think we've seen everything here.
Yes, we have.
So this is definitely not stroller friendly. I wouldn't recommend this with younger kids, but we made it happen. We wanted to see the top. We made it, we did it, we conquered our goal. Now we've got to get some food and some water, and we're headed out. So, signing off at the Austin Nature and Science Center. Look at this view one more time. We're out of here. Bronson! Yeah! Peace!